Prior instruction and research into virtual learning at Empire State College has helped set the groundwork for MAETAL applications. Over the past 5 years, virtual worlds have been used in many graduate courses, serving as places where students at a distance could present their work, where they could meet for field trips to explore other islands. They could assemble to hear guest lecturers and even meet with the dean, and they could assemble on other islands for meetings and professional development. Over the past year and a half, SERVE, the STEM Exploratory Real Virtual Environment, was developed through support from Empire State College and the enthusiastic development of a 13-year-old designer. This island was modeled roughly after the USA, with locations that could be used today and that could be developed more in the future. For example, there are some general meeting areas, and there are locations like the Science Observatory, a retail store where items could be bought and sold, meeting and recreation areas, and sandbox and development areas. A pilot with K-12 students found that they were very eager, perhaps too eager at times, and they enjoyed working and presenting in this virtual space. Uses of this space are being expanded. Presently, K-12 and pre-service teachers are developing their own science pods, bringing websites and interactive wikis into their virtual science pods, using posters and simulated objects, and facsimiles of authentic devices. Our MAETAL students will be able to work along with faculty who are teaching within these environments, serving as observers, virtual ethnographers, evaluators, and even as developers if it suits their talents, abilities, and interests. They will experience directly the complexities of mediating learning and interactions, where virtual, web-based, and social networks must work together to support the necessary communications and interactions. And they will study how to create useful and realistic assessments in these multi-layered environments. Environments that are not yet fully chartered or researched. Their work will contribute to the emerging knowledge base about rich, complex, technology-mediated experiences. And thus, these MAETAL students will be able to experience the living design of new forms of communication, interactions, and learning. The faculty and staff involved with MAETAL look forward to extending, integrating, and advancing these efforts.